Hello and welcome to today's video. My name's Mark from Not Taught at School, and today I'm going to go ahead and talk about how you can earn money online by giving away products for free. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm guessing that you have some interest in earning money online, or you've looked at earning money online in the past. So you will have seen when you've been out on the internet, you'll see many different sales pages pop up and different capture pages where people are giving you something for free in exchange for your name and email address, and a lot of the time it will be something bug, something insane like free report showing how I earn $500 a day with 2 minutes of work, etc. And you see these things all the time, and basically you put in your name and you put in your email list, and then you go on somebody's email list or their autoresponder, and then what happens is they'll start pitching you other products and other services. So what they're doing is they're giving something away for free, you get something for free, and then you go ahead and you get sold, if you like, other products. So I'm going to show you one sales funnel and one product which I currently give away for free, and it's not a crappy PDF or a webinar. So what I do is, there's this product here called Easy Sketch Pro 3. Now this here, it's a doodle software animation, and you can go ahead and you can create videos like this one you're seeing on the screen. In fact, let me just click on play for you.
By a whopping 337%. No catches and no hidden fees. Simply create your free account on this page now and you will get instant access with unlimited use.
So basically, this software that I'm giving away to people, it lets you go ahead and create videos like this one you're seeing on here. It's really simple to use, it's easy to use, it's drag and drop, and you can create videos on here for anything really. So I use this software to go ahead and use in my different niche blogs and YouTube videos for different channels that I have and other bits. So this here, Easy Sketch Pro 3, it's an unbelievable product. It's really good. It was sold on JVZoo. In fact, it probably is still for sale on JVZoo, and it sold something ridiculous like 10,000 copies of the software. So this here is not, like I say, this isn't some crappy PDF or report that I'm giving away for free. This is a piece of software that simply people put in their name, their email and a password for, and they click access now. And then once they've done that, they get instant access to this, and it'll take them through to this page here, Internet Success Hub. And then what will happen is, on the left hand side here, it'll say access product, and they'll come in here and they'll see, hang on, let me scroll down, they will see, where's it gone, Easy Sketch Pro. So they'll be able to go ahead and click on that and download that straight away, and it just downloads onto the laptop or the computer, and then it's good to go. So I've gone ahead and I've given them that product for free, so they're very happy with that. So then how do I make money with that? So there's two different ways that I earn money by giving away free products. The first one is, and this is exactly how I went into this sales funnel and upgraded in here myself, was I got access. I didn't get access to Easy Sketch Pro because I'd bought this product. I'd bought Easy Sketch Pro probably about 9-10 months ago really, but I'd seen all these other different products in here, and I know how good Easy Sketch Pro is, so I wanted to have a look at some of the other products in here, and one that I was very interested in was this Auto Emulate Live, and this is a piece of software which it emulates Facebook Live videos for you. So you can create these videos and you upload them onto Facebook, and it goes on there like it's a live video, and then you can control the number of views on there, the number of likes and comments, and lots of other cool bits. So I was very interested in that product, and when I clicked on it I could buy that product for, I think it was $25. So that would have been a $25 payment that I would have paid, and the guy who brought me into this Internet Success Hub, he gets 50% commissions on any of these products here what anybody buys. So as you can see, I come in with a free product, I saw the benefit of that, and then I was looking at the other alternatives on here. So if I would have bought Auto Emulate Live, he would have got 50% of that. So is this, I'm just sorry, yeah, so Auto Emulate Live. So if I just scroll down here, you can see these are the different price points that are available with Auto Emulate Live. So if I'd have bought that, the front end, it would have cost me $19, and then after I got that, I may have bought another one of these different softwares on here, or some of these different training courses. However, the Internet Success Hub here, it offers what's called a Pro license. So if you just scroll to the top here, you can see mine says Pro. So it costs $77 to go Pro, and then once you go Pro, you get access to everything in here. So by paying $77, I got access to all of these softwares and all of these training courses. And the $77 that I paid, half of that went to Mo, the guy who showed me this. He gets 50% commission for anyone who either buys any of the products here or goes Pro. So for me, it just seemed like a no-brainer to pay the $77 because then I got access to all of these different products on here. So you can see I got access to this by receiving a great quality software. I then looked at the other ones in here which were available, and because I wanted them, I went ahead and upgraded. Now, I upgraded to Pro because, like I say, I wanted to go ahead and see the full benefits of these and look at all these different ones on here. So Mo will have earned Mo will have earned about $37 from me upgrading to Pro. However, if I would have just gone ahead and bought one of these products, he would have earned 50% of whichever one I bought. So you can see by giving away free software and decent software, which is actually works, you're getting people in here and then they start to see all of these different products on here, and then it just makes logical sense. If you bought one of the softwares and they work and you like them, and you can go ahead and you can view all of these different ones on here. You can buy them or you can upgrade to Pro. So a lot of people will upgrade to Pro because you just get access to so much on here. Now the other cool thing about this is not only are you getting people in here and looking at these products here and then potentially buying these or upgrading to Pro, they also go onto your email list or your autoresponder. So you can then start following up with them. You can then start emailing them about like this here, Easy Sketch Pro images. You can start sending them emails about this Facebook traffic hack or 1 penny visitors. So you can go ahead and you can promote all of these different softwares and courses on here. So that's just one way that you go ahead and you earn 50% commissions on all of these. And all of these here, the prices range from anywhere from $1 up to $3,000. Now don't worry, the $3,000 one, that is, let me see if I can show you that. Where is that on here? That is, oh, it's up here, sorry. Sales funnels. That is this one here, sales funnels franchise. But there's all these different products on here. Now, a cool thing about upgrading to Pro is that not only do you go ahead and you earn 50% commissions on these, you can then start inviting other people to this. And then they go ahead and they buy the Pro package. You earn $77 off them. But then as a Pro member, you also get access to all of these sales funnels on here for you. So it's kind of like a business in a box, really. So you go Pro, you get access to all of the products in here, but then you can also sell and promote all of these other different products in here. And they've all got built-in sales funnels, and as you can see, squeeze pages and video pages. And you just get, you can see this is my link to this page, this is my link to the video page. So you just grab these links and then you start creating content, whether that's on blog or YouTube videos or just standalone squeeze pages, and then you just drive traffic and people to these. So it works in two ways. You can earn money by giving away products for free, by getting them into your sales funnel and then promoting other products like these ones here where they pay, or you can simply get them to upgrade to Pro, this one here, and you earn 50% commission of that. And because you're not giving away a PDF or outdated ebooks, it works really, really well, because all of the softwares in here, that they are all good. They've all sold thousands of copies, and yeah. That's it really. So how do you earn money by giving away products for free? You find some really good content or software, and then you promote that or you share that and you get people onto the sales page, and then once you've got that, you can then offer paid products or different alternative plans. So as you can see here, this is the sales funnel. This is all done for you. So I send people to this here. They put in their name, their email, the password. They get access to this. They download their software instantly, and then they will then get access. Well, they'll be able to see all of these different items in here. And then if they wanted on one, they can either go Pro for $77, which gives them access to everything, or they can buy each individual software. So that there is how you go ahead and give away products for free and earn money from it. So you give something up front for free, and then you earn the money later on by either promoting other products or following up in your email series and sending them to whatever it is you're promoting. So that's enough for today's video. I hope you found it useful. I will drop a link to the Internet Success Hub below if you want to go ahead and have a look at that, and I'll also drop a link to this Easy Sketch Pro 3, so if you want to go and get this software doodle animation for free, you can get this, and like I say, you'll get instant access to this. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.